this is my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I know you're probably stir crazy except of those who get to go and work. And thank you for all those that work in an industry that we need right now. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I so appreciate it. If you like this video and its content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're returning, thank you as always for your loyalty to my channel. So I am playing catch up to a lot of my videos. So today I have my Boxycharm, and I'm thinking it's the luxe box, since I've already opened up the premium box for the month. And I'm going to leave my link above. I opened up my premium box with Vicky from West Coast Weeks, and we had so much fun opening our boxes together. So this is the luxe box because it tells me that, and it comes beautifully wrapped, and it has the card, and I'm not sure what, and of course you all know I'm blind, which one it is, because I know there's different varieties, and that's why I am a cheater. So I watch everybody's before I even open mine, because there's so many different variations that I do cheat. So I hope you'll still subscribe even though I am a cheater. And they normally put that nice material in there so you can wipe your makeup brushes on there, but I know some people got paper. So I got paper. I'm looking, there's little, it's fancy paper, but I did get paper. So we'll take that out of there. And then it's just kind of thrown in there. And people got nice items, so I'm hoping I got nice items. And the first thing is this Morocone Color Complete Protect and Prevent Spray. And this came at a good time because obviously we can't go get our hair done, and I had a hair appointment. We can't go get our nails done. So, you know, we have to make do with what we have. So this did come at a good time. This is Protect and Prevent Spray, and it's Moroccan oil. Shield your hair from daily damage. Protect and Prevent Spray helps keep hair color from fading. And this retails for $30. And let's see if it smells. If I can spray it on there. It does have a nice, very light smell to it, but again, perfect. Oh, and then we got this PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. I think it was a love-hate with this. Some people, that's why they got the box. They couldn't wait to get this. Some people are like, what am I going to do with this? So I am going to try it. So I'm going to reserve my opinion on it till it makes me look like I'm 20 again. And I guess it's waterproof, and it takes a AA battery, which we have plenty of. And I think you can use it with soap, and you just apply it to your skin. And where is this thing? Of course, I can't find it. Oh, here it is. It's a smart facial cleansing device with over 7,000 vibrations per minute. Our sonic glow technology not only ensures a deep cleanse, but provides a way to lift, firm, and tone problem areas for a more youthful appearance. It retails for $99. And do you use this with soap, or you must have to use it with soap if it's going to cleanse. So we get so many cleansers, so I can't wait to try this. I'll probably have cleanser flying all over my bathroom and mirror, but I will try this and read more about it to make sure that I use this with the that you can use this with the cleanser. So leave me comments. Oh, I know a lot of you already received and opened your boxes, so let me know what you thought of this and what cleanser works with this as well. So again, this pays double for the box. And then we have, is this nail polish? Have I seen anybody get nail polish? Deborah Lippman, and it's nail polish. Okay, they heard me say that my nails are dilapidated. And now, since I had to take off my falsies, they're like in bad shape, and red is not a good color to use when you don't know how to put nail polish on. But I got a red, and this will be perfect, so I can give myself a mani-pedi. So, but I don't know if I've seen people get nail polish, so I'm a little surprised. So Fire on the Horizon and Can't Stop the Feeling nail polish set, and that retails for $19. So normally I don't like when I get nail polish because I go out and, you know, have my nails done, but in this case, yeah. And then I've heard about these two, and again, some people are like, why didn't I just get a big one? Why did they separate them? I don't really care. I like them, and they're great to like throw in a purse, or as I said, I even take them to the backyard and lather up. And these were, I think they retailed for $15. It's the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum and Coco Cabana Cream Duo. And they retail for $15, and I think it's this one that everybody says smells like popcorn. It might. Of course, this one's my favorite, and I have it in all the sizes, but I run through it so quick because it's so dry out here. We got a few more things. The Sutra Mini Ceramic Curling Iron, and when they say mini, they mean mini. But again, I can always use products for my hair. What little hair I have left, it's so thin, and I wanted to cut it, and there's so many cute short styles out there, but then I don't know what I'd look like, and what if I regret it? I can't tape it back on. So, but I'm glad I got this. I don't know if there was another choice besides the curling iron. I think I've seen a lot of curling irons. I don't know if they gave you a choice with the straightener. Oh my God. This is too cute. Look at how cute that is. Now, we got straighteners in one of our boxes, and my daughter happened to be here. This was like a year or so ago, and she loved the fact that she can travel because she does obviously a lot of traveling. Now she's kind of stranded in Germany, and they're both lucky enough to be able to work at home. So we FaceTime, and I'm like, how is it working from home? And she's like, very cramped. So in Europe, their apartments aren't very big, and they don't come with kitchens. The landlord has to put the kitchen in, so there's no stove. And so it's very tight quarters for them. And when they go out, they're only allowed 2 people at a time. So if you have a family of 4 with kids, you can take them, but you can't go in groups of more than 2 people. So it's very crowded. So I don't know how to work this, but I'll figure it out. So she would probably love this, but I'm still trying to figure out how it comes apart. But anyway, so we got this, And our curling iron retails for $50. So that's nice. I am going to give that a try. And then we got NARS Power Made Lip Pigment. Now we got the premium box and it came with the Rihanna products and nothing worked for me. I did try the eye palette, but nothing worked for me. The colors were way off. So I don't know how they chose them, if they chose them by your skin tone, but I was a little disappointed. The lip and the face, nothing worked for me. So I'm hoping that this NARS will work for me. And this is in the color Get Up, Stand Up. I love the names of colors though. They do get creative. Oh, so it is a red. Again, I'm not a red person. I'll give it a try. I'm bored. Let's see. It is kind of red, but the packaging is super nice. And this retails for $25. Wow. Then we have the Smooth Shadow, and it is an eye pencil, Raven and Pearl. Now I like eye pencils. I know we get a lot of them in boxes. Oh, there's two of them. Creamy Eye Pencil Pearl and this one. So let's see. With this eyeliner pencil, they'll call you Lady Smooth, wearing the super creamy and slightly shimmery cream eyeliner. This gel eye pencil glides on easily, feels like satin, and it goes from day to night instantly, and it retails for $40. So I'll have to figure out how to use these. So I'm gonna have to look for the videos where they've unboxed them and then they do a look, because I'd love to see how you do a look with these. So that's kind of nice. $40, wow. And then of course we have one more thing in the box, and I've seen people unbox this, and it is the Boxycharm Hello Charmer. And there were some shadows in here I liked, and of course I'm gonna have to block the, whoa. There is a lot of shimmers in here. I would have no idea how to use these shimmers, but there's the matte ones that I like, but I don't know how to use these. So anybody who's going to do a look with the Boxycharm products that they got in their Luxe box, please leave a comment below that you're going to do a video, because I would love to watch and see how you put these on. I know the shimmers are not for everybody, and they're probably not even for somebody like me, but because we're at home, I can play with them and nobody's gonna see me. So we got the palette. Oh, I'm sorry, we didn't say what the palette goes for. The Charmer palette retails for $39. So again, it's great colors, probably for somebody of my daughter's age, and knowing her, she would never wear them. But we got the palette, and does it say what this retails for? It doesn't, but I'd love to play with it. This I would love. We got these $15 creams. Again, I'm gonna try these eye things. The lip color, maybe if I played with it and put some you know, gloss over it. I'm definitely going to use the pink color to paint my nails. I'm going to go outside and paint them. I'm going to try this. Please leave me comments if you use this and what cleanser works best with this. And I'm going to try this once I figure it out. And was that it? So I love the Boxyluxe. I've never been disappointed in the products. It's not that I love everything that's in there, but 2 or 3 items usually pays for the box itself. But I don't see you know which one I got. But let me know what you think. Let me know what you thought of the Luxe box. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.